Hey, I'm gonna hook up the ice maker to this Whirlpool fridge and freezer. So I need to go from the back of that underneath the floor to underneath the sink here. First thing I need to do before I do anything on the valve is turn the water off. Getting the rest of the water out of the line. All right, for ice makers on the back of fridges, it's usually 1/4 inch, so that's what I'm gonna use. I got a 20 footer, so I gotta go underneath the floor. Here is what I need. You just come off the existing one, just like that, and you can put your ice maker and your dishwasher right off one. So I'll put the dishwasher right back in here. See, dishwasher hose. Yeah, looking good here as far as location for drilling. So I'm gonna drill a hole down through here. I want to make sure there's no wires, no other plumbing that I'm gonna pop my drill bit into, but I think it's gonna be somewhere around here. So looking good. I'm gonna go up and drill it from down below, from up above. I'm gonna go ahead and drill my hole right down below there. Okay, got my hole drilled through that one. Run it all the way down there. Slide the fridge back into place. Okay, that's where it came down through the fridge. I'll tighten this line up too. And then it goes up through that hole, up to under the sink. All right, let's see if this sucker leaks. Looking good so far. There we go. I just gotta caulk it, you know, close that up so ants, rats, mice, whatever, get it all caulked up. Okay, so you can go cubed ice, crushed ice, whatever, but this here is for the water and then that one's for the ice.